Hello there! My name is Kirik, this is Kirik Games, and in this video I'm learning Unity. In the last episode I told you I wanted to make a platformer without jumping, so now I need to teach my character to walk on walls. To do that, I need to figure out how movement works in Unity. In Unity engine, you can assign movement by adding forces or setting velocity directly. In this case, you use physics. But if you rotate your object, nothing happens. Your character is still moving along the axis. Of course, you can use vector multiplication to count the angle of direction, but you need to know algebra for it. This is not my case. Another way, change the object position directly with the translate function. In this case, your object doesn't get any velocity. And now, if you rotate the character and try to move him forward, it will move diagonally. I needed curved movement for this game, so I used the translate function. Now my character can walk on walls and fall when I press the button. I forced my hover towards the closed surface to not let him fall. Next step was to teach my character to drag boxes. And it leads me to a new problem. I used a fixed joint to make the box follow my character, but I guess it works when the object has velocity. So now, when I walk, I need to use translate, but to drag boxes, I need to use movement with physics. So now I need to add a new condition in my movement script, which is already huge. To refactor my code, I used coding patterns I learned in university. It gives more clarity to your code. I realized that the state machine is often used to the character's movement in Unity. What is a state machine? Your object can be in one state only. If you want to change the state, remove the previous one and add the new one. So your object can't be in two states at a time. In games, it can be jump state, run state, walk state, and so on. This pattern splits my script into a few smaller ones. Next time, if I want to add a new ability to a character, I can just create a new state. For my game, I created this scheme. I steal it from another video actually, and I modified it a little. So, now in the moving state I use translate function, and in dragging state, physics. I reached my goal, a new character that can walk on walls. Exactly what I needed. The next step is to figure out how many ideas I can generate with this mechanic. That's my task for next week. By the way, everything you can see on the screen is free Unity assets. I asked my brother to draw slime for me to make this video series more unique, and here is what I get.